Okay, hola Español uno. So you are with Señor Alam this morning. So this is going to be the notes we need to go through together. On lunes, we went through the noun-adjective agreement. Y para clase hoy, vamos a hacer página 3 here, talking about your definite and indefinite articles that you see in Spanish all the time. So this first part, though, is talking about our adjectives. These were just some examples to use. So let's fill these in together. This first one, it just says, translate the following expressions into Spanish. So the good-looking girl. To say the good-looking girl, we would write la chica guapa. Serious students, los estudiantes serios. Big schools, las escuelas grandes. Hardworking man, el hombre trabajador. And then the young woman, la mujer joven. You'll notice that it's always backwards in Spanish, so it's not la guapa chica or los serios estudiantes. You always have your adjective follow your noun like we had in our diarios yesterday in class. Okay, definite articles. Definite articles are used with nouns to indicate the person, places, or things. In English, the word the is a definite article. In Spanish, there are 4 ways, yes, 4 ways to say the word the, okay? The definite articles match the nouns in gender and number. Oops. Gender and number, just like your adjectives did, okay? Gender and number. Unlike English, all Spanish nouns, even if they refer to objects, are either masculine or feminine. You can tell if most nouns are masculine or feminine by the ending of the word. Nouns usually ending in O are masculine, and nouns usually ending in A are feminine. There are a few weird ones out there, though, that like to challenge this rule. Some nouns that do not follow this pattern just have to be memorized. For example, you guys learned el agua. Agua ends in an A, but it is still a masculine word, el agua. Others end in consonants and genders that have to be memorized. For example, clock, when we get to parts of the classroom, el reloj is the clock. You can tell if nouns are plural in Spanish because they end in an S, just like in English. So in Spanish, here they are, the 4 words to say the. I think you're going to recognize all of them. El, la, los, las. All mean the. So ejemplos, some examples. El chico, the boy. La chica, the girl. Los chicos, the boys. Las chicas, the girls. So let's go through and fill these in together to practice them. If you had blank amigo, look at this ending. It ends in an O. We're saying the friend, that's a boy. Masculine, singular. We're going to say el amigo. Comida ends in an A, singular, feminine. It's going to be la comida. Refrescos ends in an OS, so it's masculine, plural, los refrescos. Personas ends in an AS. Up here, let's look, it's feminine, AS, feminine plural, las personas, okay? I want you guys to take it away, and I want you to do the rest of these on your own. Now we're going to continue on. So, el, la, los, and las clase are the 4 ways you say the in Spanish. 4 ways. Indefinite articles. So here, this is being very specific with the definite, the person, the friend, the ice cream. Now we're talking more in general. So you've already learned the definite articles are for specific personas, people, places, or things. Indefinite articles are used to indicate a or an, okay, person, place, or thing. In English, a or some are indefinite articles. So I want the pencil versus I want a pencil. Okay, they're a little different there. There are 2 ways to say the word a in Spanish. Like definite articles, the articles must match in gender and number once again. Okay, so in Spanish, here are the two ways to say a or an. Oops, I forgot the an up here. So in Spanish, masculine singular, un, feminine, una. Okay, un, una. If you make a definite article plural, for example, unos or unas, it translates as some. So here are your 4 definite articles. Un, una, unos, unas. So examples. Tengo un libro, I have a book. Tengo unos libros, I have some books. So practica, let's go through just like we did up here with your definite and do the indefinite together to get you started here. So instead of saying the friend, we're going to say a friend. So amigo, masculine singular, would be un. Comida, femenina singular, would be una. Some food, or a food. Refrescos, masculine plural, unos. Personas, unas. Okay, and I want you guys to take it from here with amigos, helado, and figure those out, okay, on your own. I've also posted a few ed puzzles for you guys to complete during class today, and then I'll quiz these when you're all done with that. Okay, and I'll be back in class mañana. All right, gracias y adios, clase.